Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Citroen C4 Grand Picasso. The first thing we have to do is click Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth's on, and then you're watching out at the bottom here. Normally, yeah, it's come up straight away. It's already searching for phones anyway, so you don't really have to do anything. But if put your mind at rest, if you click the telephone button, you'll see Bluetooth search there. So we click on BT Citroen, Bluetooth pairing request, Barry's iPhone 11 wants to connect to the system, accept, yes, and then pair on the phone. To complete the pairing with Barry's iPhone 11, confirm code 490655. Well, that's what we had before, so I'll click yes, allow contacts and favourites to sync. Just see, bring it down, that's connected, and you'll notice there also you've got a tick in the telephone and a tick in the streaming as well, so we'll click OK there, and that's it, the phone's connected.